Hello and welcome to this introductory video about OPTiMiSe, the booking software for community transport organisations. OPTiMiSe can help manage the process of making bookings for clients and arranging drivers and vehicles. Because OPTiMiSe charges per booking, even small CTOs will find it affordable, while larger CTOs can benefit from the unlimited fixed price version. In this video, I'm going to show you the basic features of OPTiMiSe to help you find your way around. OPTiMiSe is web-based and is accessed through an internet browser. We recommend you use Google Chrome. Being web-based, you don't need to install anything on your device. There's no restriction on where you log in from or how many people from your organisation log in at the same time. To access OPTiMiSe, open a browser and go to app.optimise-ct.co.uk. This will display the login page. You would normally enter your company name in the first box, but for this demonstration I'm going to use a test account with dummy data. You then enter your username and password in the following boxes and either click on the button or press enter. If you've entered your details correctly, the diary page will be displayed. Now, the diary page is the heart of OPTiMiSe and shows the bookings over the current week. OPTiMiSe can handle bookings for 5 different types of services. These are community car, where a volunteer picks up passengers in their own vehicle; dial a ride, where a volunteer driver uses a CTO vehicle to pick up a disabled passenger; dial a bus, where a number of passengers can book onto a pre-arranged trip in a CTO vehicle; group transport, where an external organisation hires a CTO vehicle for their own use, either with or without a driver; and community bus route, which is a scheduled bus service picking up and dropping off members of the public at fixed bus stops. Each type of trip is identified on the diary with its own icon. The diary normally shows the appointment time and the client name, but this can be changed using the filter options here. Using these, you could, for example, display the names of the drivers to help decide who to offer a new booking to. The diary page also uses colour to help show when a booking needs attention. If a booking needs input from office staff, it will be displayed with a red background. In addition, a small icon will show what needs to be done. If you forget what an icon means, you can just mouse over it to display a description. A green background means that the booking has passed and the system wants you to enter completion information. Although this isn't an essential step, entering it will allow the system to create a number of different reports on past bookings which we think you'll find useful. Once completion information has been entered, the booking is displayed in greyed out text. Cancelled bookings are also displayed using greyed out text, this time with a strike through. You won't be charged for cancelled bookings. You can move the days displayed in the diary using the date controls near the top of the screen. If you want to go to a specific date, you might find it quicker to click on the date itself and use the pop-up calendar. It's also possible to display data a month at a time using the month view at the top right. To fit everything on the screen, the trips are grouped by type. You can still see if anything requires attention with the red background. If you click on an entry, a pop-up will display the actual bookings. Clicking on a booking on the diary will show the detail page for that booking. If a booking has not been finalised, its status will appear at the top of the page. The rest of the page shows details about the booking. Edit buttons at the right-hand side allow sections to be edited as required. Notes about the booking can be added at the bottom of the screen. Other options are available on the page menu. I'll cover these in future videos. Notice also that text displayed in blue is a link, for example to the client's details. This allows you to display related information easily. Just press the browser's back button to go back to the page you were on before. Now, going back to the diary page, you can enter a new booking by clicking directly on the correct date. A menu pops up from which you can select the correct type of booking. Whilst a lot of people prefer the diary view, some like seeing their data in lists. To view information in a list format, click on the Bookings option and select a type of booking. Each row in the table represents one booking. The status of any bookings requiring attention can be seen at the right-hand side. To view information on a booking, just click anywhere on a row and the detail page will be displayed. To return from the detail page to the list view, you can either use the Bookings menu again, or you can click on the underlined link in the top left of the screen. Entering a new booking from the list view is just a matter of clicking the New option in the page menu. Further options in the menu allow filtering of the data being displayed. For example, you might want to highlight only unconfirmed bookings. A number of reports are available in the Reports menu. Hopefully these reports are self-explanatory. Some of them, like this one, require you to choose the period of the report. This report also allows you to enter data not recorded by the system, so that it's included in the printed copy. Pressing Print will display the report as a PDF document. From here you can print or save the report as required. The Data menu gives access to the underlying data in the system, such as the client details, where each client is represented by a row in the table. The full data can be displayed by clicking on a row. These pages can be used to display or edit data in a similar way to viewing and editing a booking. Most of the records will have additional tabs of information. Just click on a tab to display it. The Admin menu will only be displayed when an administrator is logged in. This menu allows an administrator to set up other users and background data tables, as well as upload data into and download data from the system. This last point means you can access your data at any time. We believe the data belongs to our customers and don't try to hold you to ransom if you want to leave. On the right-hand side of the screen, you can see a number of other controls. The letter icon will alert you to any new system messages, such as a driver accepting a booking or a new version of the system being released. The search box allows you to search for any information in the system. For example, to search for a client name Hall, type in Hall and press Enter. You'll be able to see not only details about each client called Hall, you will also be able to see when they went on each type of booking. Again, I can go back to previous pages just by clicking the back button of the browser. Finally, clicking on the user icon in the top right will display information about the version of the system, allow you to access the help site and change some user-specific settings. It also allows you to log out, which returns us to the login page. Hopefully this brief overview of OPTiMiSe has given you more of an idea of how useful the software could be in helping you run your community transport organisation. Please get in touch with us at sales@optimise-ct.co.uk to discuss your requirements further. Thanks for watching.